With a 26% increase in Indian students from last year, there is a growing popularity for studying abroad in Germany as well as for education loans for Germany. Hello everyone, my name is Aman. I am one of the founding members here at GyanDhan. Today, we will be discussing various aspects of education loans for Germany, including the loan amount, eligibility, application process and much more. Let's get right into it. Before you start looking for lenders to fund your studies in Germany, it's really important to figure out the average cost of studying there. Knowing this will help you decide how much money you should borrow from your chosen lender. Public universities in Germany either free or charge very low tuition fees, ranging from 250 to 300 euros per year. In contrast, tuition fee at private university range from 20,000 to 35,000 euro per year. Living expenses can go up to 1400 euros per year. When you add up all this cost, the total cost can be substantial sum for which you may require an education. Now let's move on to the different lenders that can provide you with an education loan, starting with the public sector banks. When it comes to studying in Germany, public sector banks like SBI, UBI can offer loan up to 1.5 crore. The interest rate vary between these lenders ranging from 10.65% to 11.15% for SBI, 9.55% to 10.8% for UBI. It's important to note that the loans described here are secured education loans, which means you will have to pledge a collateral to get them from public sector banks. If you don't have collateral, there is no need to worry. Private banks and NBFCs can provide you with unsecured education loan, that is loans without collateral. Although these lenders may not require collateral, they will need a financially stable co-applicant. ICICI Bank is a leading private bank that offers education loan up to 50 lakh with interest rate ranging from 11.25 to 12.5%. Following ICICI, Axis Bank provide loans up to 40 lakh with interest rate between 11 to 11.5%. Another prominent bank in the first category is IDFC FIRST Bank, which offers loans up to 35 lakh at an interest rate ranging from 11.75% to 13.25%. Apart from private lenders, NBFCs offer slightly easier eligibility criteria and an extension list of universities and courses eligible for education loan. Therefore, if you cannot secure an education loan from private banks, NBFCs might be your solution. HDFC Credila stand out today as it can provide loans up to 25 lakhs with interest rate ranging from 12 to 12.75%. Additionally, there are 3 more NBFCs you might consider, which include InCred, Avanse and Auxilo. Each of these lenders can provide you with a loan up to 20 lakhs at a interest rate ranging from 12.5% to 13.5%. Now you may wonder how they differ. The catch is that all lenders providing unsecured loans have a specific list of universities and courses for which they provide loans, and having more options enhances your chances of obtaining a loan and negotiating your interest rate. Lastly, for students seeking an education loan for Germany without collateral and a co-applicant, Prodigy Finance is a great option. They offer loans covering up to 60 to 70% of your study cost, with interest rate ranging from 12 to 14%. However, there is a twist. Prodigy Finance can only fund programs that are on their approved list of universities and courses, which is not as extended as compared to lenders above. So ensure that your chosen universities and courses are eligible before applying with Prodigy. You can check that with GyanDhan. Now that you understand the various lenders from whom you can secure an education loan for Germany, it's also crucial to be familiar with the general eligibility criteria set by this lender. Firstly, you must be an Indian citizen and have a confirmation of acceptance from a recognized German university for a full-time program. Additionally, there is an age requirement. Applicant must be at least 18-year-old. A job-oriented course that can aid in loan repayment post-education is also essential. Applicant must demonstrate proof of having €11,208 deposited in their bank account, which will be used as a blocked account. Please note, these are the generic eligibility criteria. Specific may vary depending on the lender you choose. Apart from eligibility, you will need to ensure that you have all the necessary documents in order to smoothen your application process. The different documents that you will need include necessary KYC and academic documents. Applicant must provide mark sheets from their 10th, 12th and bachelor's degrees along with their admission letter and detailed fee structure from the academic institution. Co-applicant KYC and income proof are also required to assess the financial stability for the loan support. Furthermore, APS certificate which proves the authenticity of applicants' Indian academic documents and proof of fund is a blocked account is also required. Should there be a need for a secured loan, additional documents may be required, and acceptable forms of collateral include residential or commercial property, non-agriculture plots or fixed deposits. Please be aware that these requirements are standard, but specific document needs may vary by lender. Following the preparation of your documents, applying for an education loan to study in Germany becomes a straightforward process, especially when applying via GyanDhan. Here is how you can proceed. Start by checking your loan eligibility for an education loan with GyanDhan's eligibility checker. You can find the link for the same in the description box below. Next, an education loan counselor will reach out to you, explain the loan details thoroughly. You will then receive a customized document checklist tailored to the lender's requirement. After preparing your documents, submit them to the lender for verification. Once verified, you will receive an approval letter along with an agreement letter. If you accept the same, then sign the agreement and return it to the lender. Depending on your needs and the lender policy, the loan amount can either be disbursed directly to your bank account or sent it to the university. You would be glad to know that all the services offered by GyanDhan are absolutely free, as we understand that any extra cost will only add up to the financial burden to study abroad. That's a wrap for today. I hope you found the information helpful. If so, please remember to like and share the video with friends and family who might be seeking education loans for studying in Germany. If you have any unanswered question or other pressing inquiries, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below.